I've never eaten McDonald's any other way again. In a large baking tray, start by adding 5 cheeseburgers just like mine. Arrange them like this, and before adding the 5th one, cut it in half using scissors. The baking tray I'm using here has a 3.6 liter capacity. Then, add French fries on top of the sandwiches. On top of them, add ketchup to taste, 100 grams of grated cheddar cheese, and 16 fried chicken nuggets. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Now, make a second layer of cheeseburgers just like the first one. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. On top of this layer, add more fries until everything is covered. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. And finish by adding another 100 grams of grated cheddar cheese. After that, take to a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 15 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary, depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.